Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. As you can see, we have another Tuesday morning haul. I'm excited. I just got back this week from my road trip to Tennessee. We went to Tuesday morning on Monday, and this is what I got. So let's start with the big stuff. Since I always end with the big stuff, let's start with the big stuff. So at Tuesday morning, they were just unloading their, I guess their paper stuff, their paper crafty supplies, but they have clear plastic, and there's 25 sheets in this, and this is what they use them for. They make those little boxes, and you don't have to use it for that, but this is some great clear plastic. They're 12 by 12 and they're 0.17 millimeters thick. And then the only 12 by 12 chipboard I found there was All Heart by Crepe Paper. Guys, I'm so sorry. Anyway, here is the SKU number. Can you guys see that right there? And this whole thing, 25 sheets, was $4.99. The 12 by 12 by Crepe Paper is $2.99. You guys can see right here. And I love this. They did not have the 12 by 12 pad, paper pad for this collection there, but I'll share with you what else I got. So I grabbed the Jen Hatfield Patio Party. But here we go, it's $6.99 and there's 36 sheets, and let's see. All single designs, single sheet designs. All right, so that's Jen Hatfield. And then I got this mercury glass, and it's by DCWV. There is the sticker, $6.99, and you get 24 sheets. So I got a pack of that, $6.99, and I've got Hooray by Crepe Paper. Love it. There's the sticker, the SKU, whatever, right there. And I guess I'm late to the party. Get it, party? But this one has 48, and I'm assuming there's 2 of each design. So that's 2 of each design for $6.99. Not bad. And the very last thing I got was the Pebbles Spooky Boo paper pad, and I was hoping to find more than just the paper pad for Halloween, because I told you earlier, I don't have a lot of Halloween, and I just like want to build up the Halloween stash. So Spooky Boo, $6.99, and then you have 48 designs again, and it's mostly for those trick-or-treaters and pretty pumpkins. That was it for my paper pads. Those were the ones I picked up from Tuesday morning, along with the clear plastic and my only 12 by 12 sticker sheet. But there's more. Here I picked up the Thickers Pick Me Up. I believe this is from Pick Me Up. Her name is right on the tip of my tongue. Anyway, that's what it looks like. And they're thick, obviously they're thickers. Chipboard. Very cute. Friendship. Here's a little ship. Gather. No, grateful. Oh, very nice. I picked that up, and this is $2.19. So that's a new price for me. Alright, and then I got the Welcome Home by Jen Hatfield. Oh, Cartabella. Yeah, Cartabella, not Jen Hatfield. And this one was $1.99. And it's only one-sided. Yeah, very cute. I was loving the chopping board and the chalkboard. So that's what that looks like. That one says Market. I did pick up doubles of the Thickers Celebrate. So because there's a lot of birthday challenges and stuff like that, I figured I could use a lot of this. This one is $2.49, and I love it. I love that the happy is in purple. All the words are outlined in glitter. Look at that birthday. It's super cute, guys. I love it. And I had to pick up two just to fill my stash for birthdays. I did pick up this one, and I believe this is Wonderful. No, to me it looks like Maggie Holmes. But I might be wrong. I don't know. It's very cute. $2.49. There's the number, and it just looks like that. Love this life, bright days ahead. Love the bunny. And then you have the back. I swear this is Maggie Holmes. But anyway, love it. I might be wrong. And the next thing I picked up was Dear Lizzie accent and phrases stickers, and this was $1.99. And this looks like the Wild collection. I might be wrong. I love those glasses. Is that no butterfly? Looks like a butterfly and a dragonfly put together. There's a llama, but his face is covered. D here now. Isn't that the truth? Get off your cell phones, people. After you watch my video. Okay, and then I picked up the Beautiful Night sticker collection, and I believe I have one already, but I wanted to pick up another one. So $1.99. It's got a lot of purple in this collection that I love, and it's got words down here, right on the bottom. So I love it, and it's got holographic foil. Very cute. So here's more. I picked this up, and it's Hey Kid by Pink Paisley, and there's a whole bunch of like banners and pennants in here, and it's really a cute collection there. There you go. It's what's in there. All right. And that is the number, and this was $1.99. And I found the All Heart ephemera, and this is $2.29. And there's two sets here, two little pouches. And this is what's in it, right there. It's very cute. I show that number already. So that's for the All Heart collection. This is another All Heart 40-piece ephemera. I believe they're the same thing. Yeah. So I just picked up two of those for the All Heart collection. And then I picked up Little Birdie handmade embellishments, and this is $1.49. And there's just pink and purple teeny tiny bows, and they're popped up on foam tape. And then I picked up some stamp blocks for my stamps that I picked up also at Tuesday morning. This was $4.99. And there's the number. And it's just this really tiny one, and then you have the really big one. So I picked that up. I got a Wild Heart from Crepe Paper Ephemera, 40-piece ephemera collection. And this has a few vellum, 6 vellum pieces, and yeah, I think it's in this piece right here, but you see all these gorgeous colors. Anyway, that's what it looks like. That's what you get. These are the vellum pieces, and then everything else is just paper, cardstock. Very cute. And then I have this one, the Gold Puffy Hearts, $1.99, nothing new, Maggie Holmes, Chasing Dreams collection, and that is the number, and $1.99. Okay guys, for the big shebang, I was hoping they had the paper collection there, but they didn't. So I grabbed Snow and Cocoa by Crepe Paper, and this is the 6 jar pockets, and they give you a few little tags or images, and then you have the mason jars right there. See, they show you could put the sequins in there. That is what it comes with. All right, very cute. I love the little deer. And this is the number. Okay. I picked up 2 of these. These are the 12 gift tags. Of course, again, you don't have to use them as they're intended. Just use them the way you want. Obviously, $1.99. I picked 2 of them up. That is compared to $4.99. Snow and Cocoa by Crepe Paper. I did grab the little Christmas trees. It comes with 6. Comes with 6 Christmas trees. Wire brush trees, $2.99. And that is the number. So I grabbed one of those. Be able to grab them. So this is $1.99 for the little Christmas frames. There's 12 frames. And there is the number. There's 2 in this one, 2 in this, and then there's a bunch in this, the larger pieces. That's what they look like. Snow and Cocoa. From getting ready for Christmas, guys. And then you have a 13-piece hanging stars. So I believe they're just garlands. So it's $2.19, and that is the number there. And that's what it looks like when you use them. You don't have to use them like that. I got the 12-piece gift tags. Did I already get this? I did. Oh. This is a different set. Yeah. So this one is more red and this is more mint. And that is cute. Happy accident. There you go. The different tags. I got 2 of those. Oh, guys, no, I got 2 of these and 1 of these. That's crazy. Okay. Well, that was it for my Tuesday morning haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I fully intend to go back and look for the Snow and Cocoa paper. Definitely want to get some of that. So, thanks for joining me, and give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell to be notified when I load a new video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.